Mold in a commercial space is not just a maintenance issue. It puts your staff, your customers, and your reputation at risk the longer it sits. Whoever is walking through your doors, employees or customers, should not be breathing mold spores. Getting it handled fast protects them and protects you. We contain the affected area and work around your operating hours where we can, so you are not forced to close your doors to get it fixed. Affected drywall and materials get pulled and hauled out, and the space gets scrubbed with HEPA filtration to clear the air. We also track down the moisture source, whether it is a roof leak, plumbing issue, or ventilation problem, and get it corrected. We serve Dallas businesses and more than 30 nearby cities, any hour of the day or night. If mold has shown up at your business, get ahead of it before it costs you customers. Call Water Damage Restoration Dallas at 469-804-9910.